Welcome to this unhinged tool collection video. I have not tidied up, as you can tell, so we're just going to get started. Number one, my mitre saw. I got this 2021 in a Toolstation sale. It's double bevel and double this one. Use it quite a lot. Love it. It's got a very long slide as well. Sitting next to my mitre saw, one of my favourite tools, my impact driver. I got this in a set one Christmas, I think it was 2020. Impact driver, a combi drill and circular saw and a duffel bag and two 2Ah batteries and a charger for 200 quid, and then you got a free tool, so I got a little palm sander as well. You'll see those in a minute. But yeah, very well used. Next, under here is my table saw. It is a new tool table saw that I inherited off my dad. It's just a little baby one. Quite noisy, very dusty, but it is good and I do use it. Next, where my drills normally live, the only one still there is my little baby Bosch Home & Garden drill. This was my very first drill. In fact, it was my brother's first drill and he didn't use it, so I took it. Oh, it's charged. This is like my spare or my countersink drill. My Makita 240 volt sander. I got this pretty much a year ago and really good. I like a main sander because then you don't run out of battery and sanding can take quite a long time. So that's why I like this one, and it's really low vibration. Recommend. Another sander. This is an Erbauer, like B&Q Screwfix brand belt sander. I haven't used it in ages actually, but again, very good for sanding big surfaces quickly. A massive plunge router, trend router, that, oh, it's still on there, which Brainfizz donated to me. I think he's got himself more trend routers, so yeah, I've used this a few times. Very good, very hefty. Again, 240 volt, 230 I should say. Wix brand reciprocating saw, mostly used for chopping bits of tree. Also up there is an Einhell multi-tool. One of my very early tools that I got. I asked my dad for a jigsaw for Christmas and never seen any Wolf ones since, but it's great, does the job. Again, 240, 230. Another sander that I haven't used, mostly because it takes sheet sanding pads and just something I forget to buy, don't buy. I suppose I've got my belt sander. Over in the corner is a Mains chainsaw that I've used for obviously chopping bits of tree in my garden. Right, there are the ones that are actually stored in the right place. So let's move on to this plastic bag. So I lent my brad nailer to my friend, and so it's all been delivered back in here. This is the 18 gauge brad nailer, obviously Ryobi. This was actually a Christmas present that I asked for from my husband. Not because I needed it for any particular project, I just wanted one. And I've used it quite a few times since, so I love this. This video is making me put away my stuff. And then the mess on the floor, things I haven't put away from DIY SOS. So got my Ryobi circular saw, again, used loads and loads. You can see the state of it. The blade keeps rattling around a little bit. I think I need to open it up and have a look inside. Well, I kind of want a track saw anyway, so hit me up with your track saw recommendations. Ryobi combi drill. These live. Plug and read. My Ryobi SDS drill. I have used this more on other people's houses than my own. This was gifted to me as part of the Ryobi Ambassador Programme, and it might still be on their website. I did a review video showing you how to use it and what I thought of it, so that might be on their website, and they gave me this in exchange, so gifted. but I've used this for a lot of demolition on DIY other projects. Love it. And last but not least, my little baby mouse sander. Super useful, cordless, good for lots of little bits and bobs jobs. I think that's about it for all my tools. I hope you like this video. Follow, subscribe, do all the things. See ya!